Okay, so we're going to do example 16. We want to find x star such that the probability of x is greater than x star and is equal to 0.65, where x is a normal random variable with mean 175 and standard deviation 12. All right, now let's notice this one's greater than. And recall a while ago when we were looking to find z star and it was greater than, we had to subtract our probability from 1 first before putting it in. And that's going to be the same thing here. First, we got to find z star by subtracting this from 1, and then we will use our destandardization formula. All right, so let's look up 1 minus 0.65, which will be 0.35. And we're going to look that up with our same command. So norm.s.inv, and we're going to look up 0.35 instead of 0.65, and that gives us negative 0.38532. Now let's use our destandardization formula, which our mean is 175 and our standard deviation is 12. We're going to have 175 plus negative 0.38532 times 12. And let's figure that out. That ends up giving us 170.37616. So that is equivalent to 170 that we need for this particular example.